Hi, I'm Tom, and I'm going to show you how to get data from any document into Excel in about a minute. You need two files. First, the document with the data. Could be a PDF, a photo, a Word file, anything. Second, your Excel template, the one you normally fill by hand. Select the language in which your template will be filled out. This is especially useful if you are sending a request to another country. Optionally, you can provide the AI with some context to help it better understand your task. For example, in my case, I have a list of industrial wedge gate valves whose data needs to be placed into the template fields. That's it. Now just wait. Depending on the document size, it usually takes between 20 seconds and 3 minutes. In about 30 seconds, you'll see a preview. The first few rows filled in. Green means the AI is sure. Yellow means take a quick look. Red means check that one carefully. That's it. No copying. No pasting. Tom approves.